y'all, it's Alfred and I am back with another video. So for today's video, y'all, I'm gonna be partnering up with Wiggins hair to bring you all a cute fall inspired wig. I'm really excited for this wig because she's a cute highlighted, very thick density closure wig. And do y'all see like the highlights on this wig? Like Wiggins hair, y'all ate this up. So I would definitely recommend checking out their website if you all were interested in anything like highlighted or anything like this. Also check out the description box if anybody was interested in any like fine details or anything like that. I'm excited. I haven't done a closure unit in a minute. 6x6 closure, and she's thick as hell, y'all. When I put this wig on, y'all gonna see it's so thick and I love it. It shouldn't take too long. I'm thinking about doing like some simple baby hairs, nothing too much. If this is your first time seeing my face or one of my videos, hello, my name is Alfred. Nice to meet you. And if you're returning, welcome back, bitch. You already know I missed you. Both new and returning, before you all leave, do not forget to hit that bell button down below to be notified every single time I post a video. Also, if you don't already, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and my TikTok. Those are all AlphaLucy3rd, same as my YouTube name. And without further ado, y'all, let's just hop right on into the video. I'm just gonna go ahead and start installing her like normally. I'm gonna go ahead and just use a little bit of hairspray just to tack down the lace and everything like that. But other than that, I went ahead and plucked her out already just a little bit. I didn't have to do too much plucking. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and start getting her installed and everything. And look at how thick this wig is, y'all. Like, love it. So let me go ahead and start installing her so we can actually see the final look. Alright y'all, so baby hairs are now done. I love the lace and everything. It just blends in so well. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take these pins out and start like playing with it and like styling it. I'm gonna freshen up my part and stuff. Probably pop some, probably just spray it just a little bit so I could like kind of get it, you know, kind of spraying to my face. It kind of just looks big right now. But I'm gonna do that, and then yeah, I love this wig though. I love this hair. I love everything about it. She's so cute. Alright y'all, so I'm done like doing my part, doing like all the final touches. This is the hair. I don't know if I want to keep it like this, like just like all one length, because this is everything, or do I want to put layers in it? Do I want to like actually like layer it up and like do a little layer right here? I don't know, because this is so fucking cute, and I love the way that it's like wavy, and it's just like this natural texture. I'm actually gonna take some BioSilk really quick. Now this hair quality is so good. As you all can see, I'm pretty sure you could just see like the luster and like the bounce, and like, yeah, it's really good. Very soft layer. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, yeah, something very soft. Okay, so as you all can see the difference, you probably can't, but a little bit, you can see it a little bit. Just put like a little layer right here so that it frames my face just a little better. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing to this side. Yeah, now you can see the dark in the back a little bit better. So yeah, that was needed. So now what I'm gonna do is just put some foam on this piece, like over here, because it's a little wild. Just do that just to tame it a little bit. I'm just gonna add some oil sheen just to have a sheen to it. Alright y'all, so this is the final hair. I'm absolutely in love with this wig, y'all. Like, wig looks so like professionally dyed, and I love that from an affordable wig company. She's the girl. But yeah, y'all, this is the final hair. I hope you all enjoyed the install and the wig. I haven't done a closure unit, like a natural closure unit, in like literally so long. So I hope you all enjoyed it. If you all are interested in this wig, all of the details will be down below in the description box as always. If you're not a fan of this one, I'm pretty sure you will be a fan of one of the wigs on Wiggins Hair's website. All of their wigs are literally so good. This is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up before you leave. Also, if you don't already, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and my TikTok. Those are all AlfredC30, the same as my YouTube name. And yeah, y'all, that's all that I have for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I love you all so fucking much, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, bitch.